Okay, we continue back for question number 2, pre-lab assessment 2. Okay, we read before we start, we read the question number 2. Number 2 is same like number 1, just change the value for A, B, C dimension. We look back number 1 question, previous. Maybe my answer got problem. We see back, okay, and then the ABCE, the length, the width, okay. Here A and B you need to change at the sketch. You just double click the sketch. Okay, A value. You see back. Question number 2. A value. A value is 84. Just change 84. Alright. B value equal to B is 59. 59. Alright. And then you make sure all constraints move together. If not move together, your constraint problem, you need to fit your constraint and follow all dimensions. This constraint must be equal to the question dimension. That is most important. If not follow, you got the problem during the you test the weight. Alright? Okay, go back to okay C45. Okay, how to change the C? You out from the sketch first, then you go to pack and double click, and then you change 45. Okay, make sure you already apply material same like number 1. Still the properties also same, you follow number 1 question. Okay, now we measure lah. Perfect. Measure initial. You click only part body, and then you can see is the mass is 1245 gram per kg. 25. Okay, 25. Maybe we double check. 85, 90. Alright. This one number question number correct. Question number 2, 25, 45. Okay. 10, 25 point watts. Points. Point what's that? Major bet 25 point. Yeah, 2 decimal point, 25.6 gram. 25.6 gram. Okay. Okay, now we continue back for question number 3. Number 3, same. You need to change before you start question number 3. You need to change the parameter for A, B, C. Dimension A is A and B. You need to change at the sketch. Same. 86, 58. Okay. Get ready now. 86, 86, 58. Okay, no problem. Okay, and then the pad dimension also you need to see back 44. Now 45. Okay, 44. Okay, and then what you need to do is to understanding the drawing, because you see here already has a trim or pocket here, one side, this side, and this side. Okay, we settle one by one. Actually first this side lah. Okay, when you see this side, okay, this side you need to change lah. Okay, you see from here to here it 12. If you see this drawing, you zoom in, then you can see, okay, the dimension here to here is 12. Okay, you make sure you create one plane 12 from the left side. Okay, how to create this plane? Teach you very easy. You go to CATIA and you select here reference element, click plane. Okay, and then you select this face. Okay, now is 20, offset 20. You change to 12. Okay, side, you see this outside because you need inside, you change to reverse side. Okay, okay, after you change, you just click here and then click sketch. As you can see now, you just click one circle, very big circle, like this drawing. Okay, you see 36, 41 has two constraints, very easy. Then the radius 41, but the height is 36. Okay, radius 41, you just click the dimension, very easy. Okay, 41. This one, this center and this line, you need to constraint because when you see at the drawing is a line, it's not here to here. Which one? Okay, here you can see this line and this center line a line. Therefore, you can constrain as a coincident because a line. Okay, you just go here and then you click coincident. No problem. Already aligned, and then you just move down. Just select, click the center point, and then you move down like this. Then you can see because here already mentioned the dimension from this height until here is 30 feet. Very easy. How you want to do that? If you click here from this line until this line is 30 feet. Okay. Okay, and then you exit workbench. And then you pocket. Pocket it means to remove the surface. Okay, but not this side, you change reverse side. Because the size you can see here from this drawing, you can see from this side view. Here to here is 24. You need to pocket 24. You just change 24. Okay, settle. This side settle. Now we want to do this side and this side. You need to open this drawing. You can see here you pocket and here you pocket. You just click one rectangle, and then the height is same. 19 is 19. Therefore, you just click one box here. Here 52, 19. Here you see. I do now is sketch here. Make sure your side is correct. Okay, and then you click. Alright, and then we click now. Okay, you just click one box. Here one box. Okay, here this line and this line you need to coincident. Oh no wait. This line coincident. Then the height you can see from here until here is 19. If you want perfect shape to remove, you click this line and click this line and then you project this line. So to make a perfect, if you want to do the box also no problem. Okay, you just project. Okay, then you trim. Okay, trim like this lah. If you want more perfect like this, like this, like this. Okay, this side you already trim. Because this one over constraint. When over constraint, you need to delete one side. What's the problem now is maybe this O, maybe this O. Okay, no problem. And this one also, 52 from here to here is 52. 52. Then you go as you will bench or what's that problem, Edit? My drawing have a problem. Relate to which one? Okay, maybe I delete this one. Because already aligned with this line. No problem. And then I pocket 19. Pocket 19. 19. Okay. Okay, now you can measure and then finish. Alright. Measure, measure now. The weight is 56.4. 640, 44.1. Okay, I need to write. Okay, that's all. Easy.